Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you see me have on the same shirt, I just had to do this quick video for you guys. I was just about to I was just about to stretch my hair, and as I was putting in the leave-in conditioner, I'm like, look at the definition. I just deconditioned my hair, so if you haven't checked out that video, rewind, go ahead and check out that video, and then come back to this one. But you won't believe what I did. Before I mention what I did, I cheated on Melanin Haircare. And you won't believe what product I cheated on Melanin Haircare with. I cheated with Cantu. I used to use this like religiously back in the day and before. Yeah, I used to use this. And I stopped because, just let me not get into that, but I stopped using it because I heard a lot about Cantu this, Cantu that, and it's cheap. It works for my hair, and look at that. And it's just a leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna be doing a twist out. So I have the leave-in conditioner. And I also have the coconut curling cream. I'm not sure if these products mix together, but I'm gonna do the LOC method. And I have a mixture of coconut oil, olive oil, and a little bit of Jamaican castor oil. And the only products I ever did a twist out is my Melanin Haircare products. But I'm running low, as you guys can saw in Halo's video. Like, I'm running low, so I have to reorder my Melanin products. And I'm gonna apply a little bit of the coconut curling cream. I don't know if these products work together. We're gonna find out. I think I'm applying a little bit too much products. I'm not sure if it's gonna dry. But let me just remove some of the excess. Hopefully these products don't flake. Oh man, I have to borrow. I hate borrowing when I do a twist out. But that's that. I had zero expectation on these products. I didn't think they were going to work. I didn't assume that they were going to work. I'm like, there's no way I'm going to have to wash out my hair and redo my whole entire hair again. But little did I know. We'll see what happens. You guys are probably also wondering, oh, why does she hype Melanin Haircare up so much? And the reason why is because I do not like a greasy residue in my hair. I love the feeling that Melanin Haircare gives to my hair. It's moisturized. Even when I apply the oil and the buttercream, as well as the leave-in conditioner all combined, my hair is still moisturized without that greasy feeling. So you will see, does Cantu compare to Melanin in the aspect of moisture without that greasy residue? Stay tuned. And I forgot to mention, I'm doing the LOC method. First, I'm applying the Cantu leave-in conditioning cream, and then my concoction of oil, and then I'm following it up with the curling cream. So I'm finished with one half of my head. I'm gonna finish the other half off camera, and then I'll show you how all the twists look. In total, I have about, I think, 10 twists in my hair, and I'll come back to show you when it's dry and the whole enchilada. So these are the finished results. Give you a 360. So while I'm playing around with the different styling options that I can do with this twist out, my hair is moisturized. You can feel it. There is the greasy residue, but I know my hair is moisturized because I attempted to try to stretch my twist, and look, they don't even look stretched. They're bouncy. It's nice and fluffy. And do I like Cantu products? Will I be using it again? Absolutely yes. This will be the perfect product. I like the side part a little. This will be the perfect product to pair with a protective style because I know my hair will last and the moisture will be there. So I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for sticking around with me. And if you guys have any questions, don't feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Any video suggestions, leave them in the comments below. And thank you guys so much for watching again. I love you guys. All right, bye. And before you go, stay tuned to the end. I'll show you what my hair looked like on day 6. All right.